Today we're making incredible edible egg bites. These are delicious for breakfast or anytime as a great snack. You keep them in the fridge, pop them in a microwave, or you can even eat them cold. Look at the ingredients. We're going to use some Rotel, 3 different colors of peppers, 10 eggs. We're going to scramble those up a lot faster than you see here, some cottage cheese, and some ground turkey. We are using turkey sausage. So use the sausage you like. But let's get that browned up. We're going to drain that on some paper towels to get all that excess fat that we do not want in our turkey. So once you have that drained, we will start chopping peppers. We're going to chop the red, the yellow, the orange. We're going to dice these peppers up into bite-sized pieces, and then we're going to incorporate that into our scrambled eggs. And we want to make sure that we get an even mixture, so we're going to stir it up really, really well. Next, we're going to throw in a can of Rotel. Rotel is going to give it a nice spicy flavor, not too spicy. So we stir that in, incorporate that with all the goodness that's already in that yummy bowl. And next comes the cottage cheese. Now we'll add 1 cup of cottage cheese. I'm going to put this into a blender to liquefy it just a little bit. That'll make it a lot creamier when we put it into our egg bites. Now let's spice things up a little bit. We're going to add our favorite nature seasoning, which is salt, pepper, and garlic. And we're also going to throw in some delicious onion powder. Onion powder always gives it a wonderful taste. So give it several dashes of that, and then give it a good stirring. Once you have everything incorporated the way you want it, we are going to start preparing our muffin pans. So we're going to put the muffin pans, we're going to put a light coating of cooking spray on those so that they don't stick and they come out beautiful and easily. Give that a big spray. And the secret here is to add the sausage in the bottom of each muffin tin. We don't want to put that into the bowl because it'll all sink to the bottom. You won't get an even distribution. So we're going to put a little bit in the bottom of each muffin, just as you see here. And we'll fill this bad boy up with some beautiful eggs to get these things going in the oven. But before we do, let me give you a pro tip. Once you've got all your muffins filled up, maybe you have a couple of them a little short on an egg, you can top those off with some egg beaters or egg whites. So you want to fill those up nice and evenly so that you got a beautiful full cup so everybody gets an even portion. So there's your pro tip for today. Now let's get these babies in the oven. We're going to pop them in for 350 for 30 minutes. That's all it's going to take. They're going to go in liquid and come out beautiful gold. Pop them on an oven rack, let them cool a little bit, and you can store these in the fridge in a Ziploc bag. They make a great snack, a delicious breakfast. Hey, thank you for watching. Please give us a comment and let us know how you like these egg bites. Thanks for watching.